Welcome to our YouTube channel. Today I will discuss with you YouTube video SEO and its importance. What exactly is SEO? The full meaning of SEO is search engine optimization. There are two types of SEO, one-page SEO and off-page SEO. One-page SEO is working on the back end of that video, and off-page SEO is link building of that video sharing on different platforms. What are the benefits of doing SEO? The benefit of doing SEO is to display any video or content in front of your audience through the Google algorithm. Doing SEO on a YouTube channel or website gradually increases the targeted audience on that YouTube channel and website. So it is essential to do SEO for a new YouTube channel because it increases the number of subscribers of that YouTube channel and the channel grows gradually. And it is possible to monetize the channel. So we should SEO our YouTube channel and its videos. May you be happy. I have been working with YouTube channels and SEO for a long time. So if you have any problem in this matter, you can knock on my WhatsApp number and I will help you. Thank you for watching this video till the end.